Education is the key to unlocking world. It is the passport of freedom. Good evening, everyone. My name is Sambhu Pratap, and it's my pleasure to be here today. I would like to thank this institute and Sekhar sir for organizing this event. So I am here to speak on the topic why education is important in our life. So I would like to ask a question first from you. In this world, in this on this earth, there are billions of living species. There are billions of species living, including us, human beings. So what make us different from all of them? Can you answer?
Education.
Someone will say a standard of living, someone will say clothing, someone will say living style, someone will say our body structure. But education is one of the fundamental thing which makes us different from all the creatures. Human beings develop this education in a very long period from ancient to modern. So it is not a product of a few years or a few decades. It is a product of hundreds or thousands of years. So from our Guru Maharshi Valmiki, from Karna or Krishna, so they teach us the Arjun or their own people. But today we are also getting the education in a different form, na? So education change their format, but not disappear from the this earth, because it is the foundation of human being. It is the foundation which makes us different from all the other creatures. So education. I am learning. I am remembering another quote which fits at this moment. Education is not preparation for life. Education is life itself. So I am going to describe describe factors which helps us in the development of our life, in the development of human being, in the development of society, in the development of the country. It is education. So through education, we can develop ourselves from childhood. Mothers or parents try to teach some alphabet, try to teach some kakahara, some try to teach some tables. They also teach some etiquettes or behavior. It is also education. Then we move to the primary school, or we move to the college, secondary school, where we get education from some disciplines. So we will get some knowledge about the natural sciences. We will get knowledge about some chemical science, some physics or mathematics, which can be used in the real life. When we enter into the university, we will get education for the industrial development. We will know about the developing software. We taught the development of any product. We were taught the development of any things which can be used by human being. So it also helps in the economic development of the country. So you know that America is a very rich country, na? It is a $19 trillion economy. What makes it very richer? It's the education. America is one of the highest educated country. It downs one of the highest number of patents in the world. So their education, the foundation of education is very strong. That's why the Indian government is also trying to push the education into the each and every corner of the society, in each and every corner of the country. So if it's all about the country and the society, what education give us? We learn etiquettes. We learn how to live in the society. We learn how to develop ourselves. We are gathered here to learn the things. Sir is a teacher or mentor, and they are providing education to develop ourselves, like personality development, how to speak in the community, or how to speak in the public without any hesitation. It is education. Anything learning is a education. So there is a quote in the world, in the society, that if you want to change the world now, it can be only through education. So education is the only weapon through which you can change the world. So I would time is limited, so I would like to rest my word with a Hindi quote: "जहाँ पहुँचे ना रवि, वहाँ पहुँचे कवि." Kavi means educated person. So those who are educated can reach any part of the world. जहाँ हो सके where the peoples can't reach, or the even sun can't reach. Like sun can't reach at the south pole of the moon, but human has reached. So it is because of our education. So it is a benefit of education. So we must promote education. We must get a right education instead of taking the bad education. So we should promote, and the government is also promoting. So thank you for listening us. Thank you for listening me.
Education is the way you build your knowledge and you improve your society. In this current time, every person, according to me, including to me also, that's every person be thinking about education is the way to achieve your goal and join a new company as a employee. But maximum peoples are not thinking about. We create a new ideas, and we create a innovative ideas, and we achieve everything. They everything they every peoples are thinking about employee, because in this current time everyone has thinking about I take an advanced level education, and then I join a government job and private sector. Education is the not a way to you join a private sector and government sector. That is the way to represent yourself. And you thinking about, you invented a new ideas and new products, because they help a society, and they give us some opportunity to help everyone. And first of and some that it America, why we America is the superpower. First of all, that's maximum Indians are go there and invented some give us some feedbacks, and they invented some new products and new machines. That's the reason we America we develop. And because everyone are thinking that I take a lot of education, then I make us more money. Money is the not a way. Money is the just a paper of peace. Okay, education is the way to you achieve everything every time. And just I some example, you say that Swami Vivekanand. Swami Vivekanand has not wait to go up money. They have thinking about to I give a knowledge to everyone to how to improve your thoughts and how to build your knowledge. In this world, everyone has respected Swami Vivekanand. And some other you see that Pakistan and India, that thinking about you see that economics power. Current time you see that Pakistan economic power we suddenly go downside, but India we growth very well, because that's the way that is the way of the education. Education, you maintain your growth, and you build your growth, and you success to everything. Okay, that's all to my point.
Good evening, and today I am representing about importance of education, and thank you sir for giving me this opportunity. So education is most important thing. Firstly, I am talking about what is education. The real meaning of acquiring everything that happening surrounding you. This is education in old time, but now time the meaning of education is changed. The real meaning of education nowadays, you take education for earning money. Many of the people think I get educated, after that I go a good job and I start earning money, but this is not a education. This is a little part of education. I think this is not education. Whole life is education. Human beings are learning in whole life, not a particular age. After 25-26 year age, boys and girls are saying I am fully educated and I am going for job. This is not your ending. This is a starting point where you start your education. And education is not a learning books, study book. This is not education. Education is a most powerful thing that have power to make your character, make your value, make your standard in the society. It is not just you get past your diploma degree and get your certificate. This is not your education. I just take example of Israel and Gazapatti, Hamas. They are fighting together. They well educated, but they are not educated because they don't have harmony to each other. They are fighting. In my perspective, they are not educated person. They are totally uneducated person because they don't know what is.
So, good evening everyone. My name is Rahul Chauhan, and I am represent my thought on the topic of why education is important in our life. So, in my opinion, when I am in my childhood, I have no idea. I have no idea in anyone, in everything. So when I am educated and when I was going in school, teachers taught me everything, and when someone is educated person, they have so much knowledge about everything. So according to me, education is not only growing your personality as well as improve your knowledge and improve your everything. If someone is not educated person, they try to every talk everything's oppose you, and with nonsense topic. So and in front of her, someone is educated person, he try to always understand you. So in my opinion, education is most important for every person. And secondary thing is education is important for girls, because girls are very girls is need to learn new things and all, because it's important for his आत्मसम्मान के लिए ज़रूरी है, सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट एंड सेल्फ डिपेंडेंट पर्सन. So I think it's must compulsory, not compulsory, but it's needed. Thank you so much for listening me.